Welcome everyone, it's Vaporsmith. It's time for some more Resident Evil Shadows of Rose. And this DLC honestly has been pretty interesting. I've enjoyed it thus far. It actually is pretty sweet. Now, will I be able to beat it? Who knows? I don't know. Get the herb. Let's use so we're not wrecked. When we get some more gunpowder and some other stuff, that'd be great. Rusted scrap. Shotgun shells. Okay, we have shotgun shells, but now I have to get the shotgun. That is the issue. And that's gonna be rough. That's the guest room. Snake painting. Okay, let's save before anything weird happens. If possible. Yeah. Gross, dude. Gallery of Despair. Fun. Gallery of Despair, all the dead roses. So...
Persistent little rabbit, aren't you? But you cannot simply do as you please.
You are such a nuisance, dude. Oh, fuck.
This guy again?
Duke is such a problem, dude. He was so useful before, and now he's just a nuisance. Like... what went wrong? Why did the Duke become the most annoying vermin in the game? That's what I would like to know. That's what I would love to know. Alright, we've gone back to the main hub. Now what? Well, I'm gonna need the gold mask, and that's gonna be the hardest one. Guaranteed or your money refunded. Where haven't we been, though? That's my issue. Where haven't we been? And the other question is, how am I going to survive when I get there? That's the other question. Where's the core? This is where the Duke used to sit. The compensator. What does it say again? I do not recall a single thing, not who I am, nor how I came to be. I know nothing. Memories are as broken as the face I hid behind this mask. Oh, he can't remember anything. All that remains is feelings, hunger to see others in pain. Despair in their eyes, the sound of their screams. Who will be my next quarry? I have my minion to do my bidding. He has many faces, but no brains within those skulls. He is the best hound, and he will chase those rabbits down. Weird. So he has no memory of being a merchant. Gross. I need to find the notes. If I can find the main mega node for this, that'd be great. Let's hunt for the gold mask. The gold mask is going to be by far the hardest. Guaranteed or your money refunded. Okay. Clearly, we need the triocular key. But where that is another mystery we're gonna have to continue on. My biggest problem is I need to figure out how to deal with that brute. Because I don't have a convenient way of dispatching the brute. Alright, I'm gonna need a plan. Let's just try running straight. So he's clogged off all this with slime. Okay, well, that needs the triocular key. I don't know what to do from here. Or what am I supposed to see exactly? I know I'm supposed to find something. what exactly? My job here really isn't that easy, is it? Because I need a plan of action. Why is it always locked on the other side? Let's go back to the atelier and try something with that. Maybe the atelier was the key to winning. This is the attic. Okay, so this whole area got patched up, preventing us from getting to the major outside. So that was just a waste. I don't know what to do from here.